Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to set up Instagram welcome message. Now, this is a new update from 2022, and also I will show you how to automate that message. So the first thing that we can do is we can go to three stripes in the top corner. We can go to settings right here. And in the search, what we can type in is we can type in welcome, and then we'll get the welcome message. Now, if you don't get the welcome message, make sure to update your application to the latest Instagram app. Then we can click welcome message here. And here, as you can see, whenever someone messages you, you can show a welcome message. Now, for us, it's welcome to start your business online. Let's chat, right? This is our welcome message. And whenever someone messages hello, this message will pop up first and it will be basically automated, right? So, and you can type in here whatever you want, right? For example, if someone says hello, what you can do is you can say hello back, right? Or hello, check out, our website or something like that. This is great for promotions, great for marketing. And then if you don't want to do this, then you can just disable and turn it off like that, or we can enable it, right? So this is pretty much, how to basically set up Instagram welcome message. It's really simple, and also how to automate a part of your messaging process, right, on Instagram, which is pretty sweet. Now, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to answer all of your questions, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.